Today we're going to look at how to import data from another sheet. Obviously, one option is to copy and paste your data from one spreadsheet to another, but if you update the original data set, you're going to have to copy and paste your data again. If we use the import range function, any changes made to the original document will automatically be updated in the current document. So I have this blank tab and I have a separate spreadsheet that has the roller coaster data in it. If I type import range, I need two pieces of information. First, I need the URL for the spreadsheet, and then I need the range that I want to import. So I'm going to switch over to my other tab. This is my roller coaster data. I need the URL from the bar at the top. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Go back to my original document. You need to put the URL in quotes. Then you need your range string. Again, the range string has to be in quotes. You need the name of the tab, which this one is sheet 1, and then you need the columns that you want to import. So I'm going to import columns A through N. So I need sheet 1. You need an exclamation point at the end of your sheet name, and then I want columns A through N. I'm going to go ahead and close my parentheses there. When I hit enter, I am going to get an error. That's fine. Go ahead and click on the cell, and then you need to just allow access. That makes your initial connection between the two spreadsheets, and you can see that it automatically updated this data. Now, I'm going to go back to my original spreadsheet and change, let's say I got some updates and the top speed for Big Bad John is incorrect. So I'm going to change it to the correct speed. So I'm going to go back to my original data, change the number, and it automatically updates in this spreadsheet. So that's the benefit of using import range instead of copying and pasting data from one spreadsheet to another. Any changes you make to the original spreadsheet are automatically shared with the new spreadsheet.